We need nationalist senators in the Senate. And it's about time that we have another nationalist senator. Karapat-dapat na mailagay po natin si Casa Tour sa Senado at ako ang pwedeng magsabi sa ika-4 na distrito na lalawigan ng Quezon po. Kami na bahala. Happy birthday, Casa Tour.
Sa popular na kultura at sining ng pakikibaka, lagit-laging kinakatawan ng isang ina ang bayan. Inang lumalaban dahil sa nawawala niyang anak, o inang nag-alay ng matamis ng ngiti sa bawat tagumpay. Kasama natin ngayon ang isang ina, si Ginang Edith Burgos, tagapangulo ng Desaparecidos, ina ng nawawalang aktivistang si Jonas Burgos, asawa ng periodistang si Joe Burgos. Palakpakan po natin.
Maraming salamat, Teddy. Oo nga't kami mga kamag-anak ng mga nawawala, pero hindi po pwedeng mawala kami dito alang-alang kay Casa Tour. Si Edith Burgos, tulad po ng nasabi ni Teddy, ako ang nanay ni Jonas, asawa ni Joe Burgos Jr., at kaibigan ni Casa Tour at saka ni Ka Bobby. Alam niyo po, nung nawala si Jonas, ang dalawang unang lumapit para mag-alay ng tulong sa kadami-dami na mga kaibigan namin ay ang mag-asawang sa Tour at Bobby. Dati-dati po, pag nakita ko na si Casa Tour, hahawakan niya na yung kamay ko, magbebeso kami, at sasabihin, kumusta na kayo? Tatanungin ang lagay ng asawa ko at kaming magkamag-anak. Pero nung nawala si Jonas, silang mag-asawa, lumapit sa akin, hawak ang kamay ko, walang masabi kahit isang salita. Umakap, at hinawakan ako dito ni Casa Tour sa balikat. Mahigpit. Sobrang higpit habang nakatitig sa akin. Tonight, I look back and I understand the look. It was the look of one who knew what my son was probably undergoing at that very moment in the hands of his captors. It was the look of a man who was himself a victim. It was the look of a man who knew the brutal violations that my son was probably suffering at that very moment. He could not say anything because probably in his compassion, he did not want me to know. It was a look that spoke of a silent pledge. A pledge of fidelity, a constancy, to be present to the struggle, to the search, to the hunger for justice. At tunay nga, yung tingin na yon, yung titig na yon, pinanindigan niya. Dumaan po ang araw, dumaan ang linggo, dumaan ang buwan, dumaan ang taon. 2 taon na pong nawawala si Jonas. At yung mga kasama pong desaparecido na nandiyan pong kasama nyo at nakaupo dyan, taon-taon na po ang binibilang, hindi pa rin mahanap ang nawawala. But Casa Tour was a dynamic presence in all of our activities. We have felt his compassion because of the very presence that he gave us. We felt that every block, every difficulty, every snag was an opportunity for him to assure us that he would not abandon us. And we realized consequently that his presence applied pressure on the perpetrators of the disappearances. The Anti-Enforced Disappearance Bill as well as the Anti-Torture Bill is pending precisely because he and his friends in Congress initiated and filed this. Now it is pending. If there is anything that should qualify a leader to lead, para sa amin po, ang mga katangian na hinahanap namin ng isang leader ay ang kanyang sinseridad, his constancy, his tenacity, hindi aalis, hindi magi-give up, palagi pong nandyan. His courage to defend us, to defend the victims of human rights violations. His tenacity to continue against structures manipulated by morally depraved people whose only motivation is greed. Courage, I know what I talk about. Yan po si Casatur, nasa preso pa lang, ay inimbita ng asawa kong si Joe Burgos na gumawa ng column sa We Forum. And pag nasa preso ka, kahit ano pwedeng gawin sa'yo. Courage is a choice no matter the circumstance, no matter the constraint, no matter the threat. It is a choice, and the journalist Satur, who had no physical defense against abuses by his captors, chose courage. To us victims of human rights violations, we see that Casatur embodies these prescriptions of constancy, sincerity, courage, tenacity, and fidelity. I believe that Casatur's spirituality is to champion human rights. Ewan ko po sa inyo, basta't ako kay Satur sa Senado.